Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coco Mama. In case you're seeing my video for the first time, please don't waste time to hit on the red button below that says subscribe and also the notification bell. Thank you guys, thank you for stopping by, thank you for being my friends on Facebook, my fans on YouTube. I thank you very much. I appreciate it. I love Hannah so much. And for those of you, I mean, that they address me as Coco Mama. I love Hannah. Yeah, Coco Mama na my title name, but don't be say I don't reach Mama. That's small guy I be. I never reach 25 years. I make I dress like this today so that I go address me as Coco Babe or Coco Baby or Coco Girl. Coco Mama too heavy. That one for grandma. You gonna help me change the name to Coco Babe. I don't be babe. When I force me to dress like this today, I know they like to dress. I only dress like this and I won't go party. Okay, as I make a play small as usual. I love you guys. Today I want to talk about our Nigerian girls. I make her dress like girl today, so that they no go say you this old woman. You say the Coco Mama. They call their dress topic me now for ladies. Girl, come on, park one side. Me, I be girl. I never reach 25 years. I never. So I would like to address waiting they make me the best. Waiting there for Nigeria society. Maybe like say some YouTubers or some people no one address the topic, or maybe because they necessary, or I know maybe they important, but now things really happen for inside Nigeria steady daily. Maybe somebody need to talk about her, somebody need to address her and make sure say they really stop that kind of thing, because they very dangerous. No good. You go see our Nigerian girls, me now 17, 15, small girls wey never suck breast finish for their mama house. They go see that they enter road, say they don't be professional prostitute. Make I no call the name, make YouTube no come say I don't pass my boundary. They don't become hashy. Una understand what I talk? They don't sell their body, they collect money. Children are supposed to day school. Children are supposed to make the world a greater place. Children are supposed to be maybe a motivational speaker, or as the cases may be, engineer, doctors, so many professions. They choose to be make una forgive me. They choose to dey for road work. They sell their body. When they talk, say some girls or some ladies, they call themselves madam, they traffic women or traffic underage children to another country for ashawo business. Make I call ashawo business because now only way Nigeria will understand the slang. So Igbo people never graduate reach that level. Children supposed to don't dey for school, get one profession. Maybe say they're supposed to, they will come their own profession and shout business. They stand for road, they collect money. I don't want to talk about the ones me some women make them call themselves conductor. I've been a women, I've been a woman, I've been a man traffickers. Then people they carry our children, they go Europe by land, though not be say by air. They go finish. The ones may succeed. The one stupid woman go come and say for the fact say I carry you go pay 50,000 euro. According to my Igbo brothers, €1,000. After I pay 50, before you pay that 50,000, say the kind of ritual is may go pass through. You go use blood bath. You go remove all the hair made there for your private part plus your armpits. Your mama and your papa go come write undertaking because you won't travel go abroad by land. Maybe say you don't even know that you go survive. Maybe say you don't even sure say the men for Libya may go nyash you, say you don't know the one may get disease so that you go survive. I don't want to talk about those ones because those ones are normal thing. They don't already sign and they don't already accept them. Say that's so it be. I want to talk about the one may happen for Nigeria. My Nigeria people, it be like son I never know this one. I make I just say make I address them today. I don't watch the video. I for like to play some clips, short clips of those videos, make una for understand wetin I dey talk. But because of say I no get permission from those people to play their video because of say YouTube get their rules and regulation. You know, if you play somebody videos, I would like to play, make una see videos of our underage children, girls, may they leave Nigeria to another Nigeria country. They come, some come out from Port Harcourt, some come out from Akwa Ibom, some come out from Enugu, Ebonyi, Ekiti, in fact, so many places. Ekiti, Ebonyi, Enugu, Benue, so many, as long as na Nigeria. Their madam carry them go hang for there. A day, more than 15 men and they nyash small children because of say they won't earn maybe 7,000, 10,000 naira per day. Their madam build a serious bill. Don't be say they carry them go Europe. I don't know which kind of juju. Some of them they confess say the kind of dream their madam do, they don't get right to expose them and go kill them. And they local league, when they talk about international league, say they play go another country. This is our Nigerians, me they call themselves, say they be madam, woman trafficker and conductor, carry small children, underage children, carry them go another state, carry them from Ebonyi, Ekiti, Benue, Makurdi, Jos, Plateau, Kano, carry them from all states from Nigeria, carry them go Lagos, because now Lagos now be the place may they happen. Now Lagos now they then be like half abroad, maybe say they pay in correct Nigeria currency, they want 1,000 higher currency. You carry them go there, you no fear God, no fear the God. You carry underage children, carry them go drink blood, use their menstruation bath, all kinds of rubbish, just because of the little change when you will make from these children head. May God never have mercy on this so-called woman traffickers, woman conductor. I don't know, whatever they call themselves. These are children. These are our Nigeria children suffering from. They suffer in the hands of our Nigerians too. Not be saying another person come carry them, they enslave them, and our so-called Nigeria sisters again or brothers enslave our children just because our government fail. Yes, now failure from the government, because they cannot even provide job opportunities. Nothing. They no even nothing. Say okay, government no even say okay, this na fashion designer, may one government and governor of whatever state create, maybe they go learn for there, at least make them get handwork. If they qualify and they know how they want to buy sewing machine for themselves. There is nothing like that. Except if 4 years on they do their one campaign, they will begin to create all kind of stupid things, may go ahead for within 3 months. After the campaign don't finish, after they don't enter seats, everything will collapse. They have been doing this for years, and we no one even know say these people are just there to help themselves, these politicians. In fact, I don't want to include politicians for this topic, but if they pay me say this kind of thing they happen and we get government for that country and they won't know say this kind of things they happen, they don't even try or find means to put stop to her. Children just they damage seriously. And for the process of this woman trafficker, conductor, maybe they carry children from different states, they will get HIV from them, they will get pregnancy for them. On the process of say they won't go remove the pregnancy, maybe all of them go won't keep the children. Some go die. Some, if they no die, they go make them, but it go be say they not go fit bear children for the rest of their life. Why? All kind of things where they happen may not even supposed to happen. Necessary things, nasty things. If you talk and say for 2018, some people from another country go say this kind of thing they happen. Why? These girls, they get better life. They can offer so many things to the society. Not be only to offer waiting there in between their legs. You can go learn hairdresser, you can go learn fashion design, you can do so many kind of small business. We don't say the government no dey there for us. At least we can help ourselves than to sell your body. At the end of the day, you go use your boyfriend to do husband, or you no go even get husband at all, or you get one disease, or you go stay, you no go fit get pikin for the rest of your life because of say you dey impatient, or you no wan work, or you feel say na only your under now you fit take hustle for money. There are so many ways now you fit take hustle for money. And all these women trafficking and conductor, make them call themselves madam, oga. God go catch up with una one day. Una cup go full. Una cup go full the way that they use our guests anyhow. They use them like toys. They use them like rags. They use them like instruments because of say una don't get small level. These children, una just take advantage of them, advantage of their virginity. Just they use them so reckless. May God never have mercy on una. He say, I dey vex, I dey provoke. I dey vex. Anyhow una see this topic today, make una just manage am like that. I just dey vex. I dey so angry right now. Why? We dey talk about the ones wey dey travel, dey go abroad. This one na within Nigeria, local league, no be international league. Wetin dem wan go offer? We dey talk say our Nigeria guests, the only thing wey dem get to offer na only their Honda. They travel. Na so some people dey talk, no be me dey talk am. Say na only their Honda they get to offer for obodo oyibo. Now they don dey offer am again for the same Nigeria. Lagos, population wey dey for that Lagos, women plenty, nyafu. They still dey carry different women come hang for hotel. Na there ritualists go again, go carry the one wey wan carry, take do money, take do blood money, take do sacrifice. Na there talks, politicians talks go there, go carry the ones wey dem wan take do their sacrifice. Just because of say government fail, or just because of say their parents poor, no fit take their responsibility, or just because of say some children serve on their home, even despite say even their parents give them the little one make them get, they won't get heaven ahead. Your papa no get car, you wan buy car at the age of 18 years without you no get work. Now make all this kind of bad things they happen. Now make all this kind of woman traffickers, when they call themselves madam or God, they take advantage of our young children, young girls, just because they know say they get high for big things. I won't stop for you as usual. Coco money they like to talk too much. I don't even exceed my minutes. This is more than the minutes me I dey talk on a normal ground, because I like my video today moderate, normal. Make people make it from Nigeria go fit watch am, because most of my fans are from Nigeria. So I no go like to dey talk more than 10, 8, 12 minutes, because of those people may love me so much from Nigeria, may they like my video and they like to watch it. So I will stop for this place as usual. Please contribute to this conversation. Drop your opinion, your comments, everything matters. But I love una so much. For those people may they come this place, they come dey spy, they come dey challenge my subscribers with their comments wey no dey road, because they get finger or they get one phone may no reach 3,000 naira. Make una mind una business, find one side, go relocate. Drop your normal comment, no attack people, no be fights. I no come fight for this place, and I no invite anybody to come fight for here, because here no be Sambisa forest. Sambisa forest, make una go that place. Na there na Boko Haram and our soldiers they fight. For here we dey talk and drop opinion and drop everything wey matters. As e take do you, talk am like that. As e take do me, na me I don't flow. So no come here come insult anybody because of say it is. I no go talk past this one, make I don't talk. I don't exceed I don't overshoot my time according to Pastor Deboye Pikin. I love you guys. See you on my next episode. Bye love.